Hello people, it's Yazdan here. Welcome back to Decremist, and today I have brought you amazing news about Shiba Inu. And why it would rise in future. So you just have to hoodle it. And I will tell you in this video what's going on with Shiba Inu. So let's get started. So as for CoinMarketCap, it's on number 3 most visited, as you can see here. So it's soon gonna cross. It's on 7, 6, 5, 4, coming to 3. It was on 2, but Hoodle crossed its place, and now it's on 3. But it would soon cross number 1, and we have seen it on number 1 before. So as you can see, the market here, it's a little dip of 1.79%. But if I see a 1 month graph, it touches its all-time high here. Then it have a overall a bearish market, as you can see. But in today's date, 9th June, it has recovered its position a little bit, broke this resistance and found its support here, and it's now maintaining its position here. So let me tell you about the recent updates and everything. So Shiba Inu is attracting a lot of celebrities. As you can see, the American rapper Meek Mill, who have 10 million followers on his Twitter, is posting about Shiba Inu, and people like DJ JY is also talking about Shiba Inu, as you can see here. Who's with us, Shiba Army. So that's quite amazing. As you can see that the Shiba Inu is almost going to list it on the Robinhood, and it will pump its price because it would be easy to buy these tokens. Most of people have that issue that how to buy Shiba Inu, but now they are solving this problem by listing on Coinbase and Robinhood. As you can see that petition is here, and 123,000 people have signed this petition, and they need 150,000. So it's soon gonna be up, and you should also vote for it because we're all here for Shiba Inu. This petition is designed to kindly request of Robinhood to please list Shiba Inu coin to trade. So Dogecoin has been a huge success for Robinhood and its investor. We have all enjoyed the ride. Shiba Inu is a similar meme coin with a genuine potential, up 2000% in the last week, gaining new ground by the day. Shiba has just been listed on Binance, and its momentum grows by hour. Half the question when we log into trading forum ask, how can I buy Shiba? Yeah, so that's what I told you. Let's encourage Robinhood to be first traditional brokerage to get on this train. Thank you. So this a lot of people know about this petition, that it's gonna get listed on Robinhood, but few people know about this one, like list Shiba Inu cryptocurrency as a tradable asset on Coinbase. So it's gonna list it on Coinbase, and petition aren't that much needed for that. As you can see, it's growing, and it's gonna soon cross 35,000. So this would do a rise in as you can see that why the dip of Shiba Inu has occurred. Like you can see, it's in red, and fully diluted market cap is down to 19%. So why is this happening? So this is happening because it's simple economic law. Higher the demand, lower the supply, is equal to high the price. So it's like that. If demand is this and the supply is this, the price will ultimately grow. So Shiba Inu max supply, as you can see that it's 1 quadrillion. It's a lot of tokens, and circulating supply is 394 billion. So that's a lot of tokens. So that's why supply is too high, and demand isn't matching that level of that. So that's why the price is decreasing with respect to time. But in last month, we have seen that as you can see the growth. So demand was matching the supply, that's why the price was also going constant with that. But now demand have a little decreased. People have sold their coins because of FUD and everything. So that's why it had a massive dip. So what they did, they started to burning the tokens. So when the demand gets scarce, so ultimately the price floor will increase. So you just have to hodl it. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for informational stuff. So here's a dev of Shiba. As you can see, some people get confused about the current test. The platform is working from weeks ago, but we usually do 2 to 3 PR every day, fixing details and improving it visually. While we wait for audit result, we keep testing. Now I've noticed I am on a group of OG members and whales. All my chats get archived by default, so I didn't notice it. This people is currently testing with massive amount of test tokens. A good way to invest the time and have great eyes trying to possible hugs. The platform is ready. Yes, time to go. It's always fine to testing while we wait for green lights. Yes, too. So this is the update about their Shiba Swap, which they are going to launch soon, and it would be nice because it would become a tradable asset on their own, like Shiba Swap. So that would be amazing. So this was something else posted by Eric M. As you can see, bleeding market suck. I know, but if you take a look at the whole market, all the coins are being down. So he's telling the truth. Be patient. It's not the first time that happens. Will happen more times. At the end, you just lose money when you sell. So he's right. Like it's here and the graph goes down, and you sell it here, so you already losing money. So you can just hoodle it. During these days, we will receive both feedbacks, internal auditor and Sectrix one. We're confident. So that's nice feedback, internal auditor and security, everything. So the tests keep going well, and we just need to wait a bit. Hopefully the market stabilizes a bit and we can launch on a decent day. So they're helping. They are waiting for price to get a little static and a little green, so they will launch their Shiba Swap. So that's amazing. So this is the Robinhood platform. As you can see that Doge has also become a great successor for Robinhood and its investor, and we have all enjoyed that, right? So same goes for Shiba Inu. If the petition gets signed up and all the petition get full by 150,000 people, so it would be listed on Robinhood, and we can all take that ride of pumping. So recently what happens, like as you know that Shiba Inu has kept his a lot of his their tokens with Vitalik Buterin, who is the co-founder of Ethereum. So let's talk about that. So Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has burned 90% of his Shiba coin holdings, an amount of $6.7 billion. A trove of more than 140 million tokens was sent to a dead blockchain address late on Sunday, taking them out of circulation. Buterin had been given half of SHIB's total supply in recent weeks in what appeared to be a marketing stunt. So Vitalik Buterin, in his words, said that I've decided to burn 90% of the remaining Shiba tokens in my wallet. The remaining 10% will be sent to not yet decided charity with similar values to crypto relief, preventing large-scale loss of life, but with a more long-term orientation. He said in a note attached to another transaction at the same time. Last week, Buterin gave 50 trillion SHIB tokens worth around 1.2 billion at the time to an Indian COVID relief fund set by a Polygon founder, Sandeep Nailwal. Labeling itself a doji killer, SHIB has seen a price increase of nearly 900% in the last 2 weeks, culminating in all-time high of 0.003791 on May 10th and listing on major exchanges such as Binance and Huobi. The remaining of SHIB supply is locked for liquidity on decentralized finance platform Uniswap, and Buterin also said in his note that he would prefer makers of cryptocurrency give them charities and not to him. So I don't want to be a locus of power of that kind, he said. The news of Buterin's action has not had any significant effect on SHIB's price, despite of a small bump to 0.00001880 immediately after, according to CoinGecko. Since then, it has pulled back and it's hovering around 0.000016 at press time. So after that, it has a massive dip too. Yeah, that's part of cryptocurrency. So guys, this was all up for today. I have told you about the petition. It will be listing on Coinbase and Robinhood, and Shiba Swap is launching soon. They are doing some tests and putting tokens etc in there. These are test tokens, and everything about these price, and you just have to hodl and wait. This is not a financial advice, but to me it looks a better way to deal with this situation. So if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremis, where we would bring you more gems from the crypto world. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.